Oh shit, shit's open. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Hey, what's going on?
The fuel pump is broken, bro.
That's fucked up, bro. Damn. Alright, so fuel pump is fucked up. We checked fuses, relays. Oh fuck. So, time to take off the fucking fuel pump. Oh shit, weren't you in the trunk?
They let me out for them.
So, car's jacked up. Fuel pump's right under. We're gonna, pull out the fuel pump and everything. We got the little Toby right there.
I'm investigating, I'm learning.
Yeah, he's investigating since he's horny. Oh, that's fucked up. Oh, huevo. So there's a fuel pump right here. You gotta remove those fucking 7 or 8. Pull it out. See what's up. New pump. So there's the pump. Pull it up from there. So gonna take all the shit apart. There's the old fuel pump. New one. Where are your glasses, dickhead?
To the side.
This guy. That's what you can't see, bro.
Yeah, you just keep falling into my face.
Alright, so fuel pump secured. Let's see if this piece of shit works. Car is running. Running, guy. Running. Look at that. Let's get it. And there he goes. Right at fucking McDonald's.